welcome to Om Shri Tara. I hope you're all doing well and I pray for the same. Today we're going to talk about shamanism and shamans. Shamanism is a spiritual discipline and an oldest form of practice. It could be an occult practice or a healing practice. Shamanisms and shamans go along hand in hand. Those who practice shamanism are called shamans. This shaman is a word derived from a language called Evenki from deep down Siberia, which loosely means one who knows, which tells us that the shaman who heals the tribal folk knows it all. This can be from the lineage of how the father would have practiced, and then it would have been passed on to the child, and the whole tribal group follows them and reaches to them for if they have a physical ailment or if they have any problem in their life. So they are there to serve the tribal folk. So this shamanism practice has been suppressed because of conquerors or political influences or some missionaries, but it's not fully eradicated. Still, in deep down rural areas, these shamanic practices still happen. And shamans, how do you identify shamans? Each shaman differs from each other, each tribal in the tribal form. So either their dance practice is different, their clothing is different. They work with they connect with their spirit world. And the spirit, probably it's from the lineage or the spirit would have chosen them, and that's how they heal the folk, the tribal people. So these people invoke invoke the shamanic or spirit guides by either by beating the drums or saying some uttering some words or chanting some words like mantras or some sounds. They make weird sounds, and they were a particular, some shamanists stick to a particular color. Most of them choose a lot of black or a darker color so that the attraction, the force, gravitation is more, the pull is more during the practices, occult practices. They choose probably a secluded area where there is not much of people around, and then they practice their every day. They practice their shamanistic rituals. So and then they serve the people. They help the people come out of their problems and all that stuff. There are various ways that people like us, even these days, can practice shamanism, and then sometimes they connect to animal energy. They probably there is an animal that they connect to, and then they use that energy to heal people. So there is various methods of shamanism. If you all are interested, we can talk elaborately about it, and I can tell you how to practice shamanism.